Hey y'all, it's Chrissy and welcome to another YouTube video. Today we will be doing extra small bohemian knotless plaits. This style took roughly about 9 to 10 hours. As you can see right now, I am pre-parting the bottom row of her hair with gel, and now I'm going over with the comb, and that's going to be my first row. Honestly, the last row of her hair was kind of thin, so that's why I only put 4 plaits in it. You get me? It was 4 plaits because they were small. But the video zoomed in. And yeah. Now I'm about to go on with my first plait. Right? This is not a detailed tutorial. But it's a tutorial. You get to literally watch me do hair. Right? And just listen to me talk. Now I'm pre-parting. Like I said, y'all. Pre-part. And you know, the first step is to split that in 3 and then start to add your braid. Like braid down about 2-3 times and then add your hair. This one, I'm not gonna lie, sometimes I be using like different methods for every braid. Don't judge, but yeah, I surely do. Every braid is different, but I try not to make it be. But sometimes you need like a different grippy grip, you know, to grip the braid. I'm not gonna lie, but editing videos and doing voiceovers is a lot. Like, now I see why sometimes people don't want to record. You get me? This is too much. But now y'all see me just braiding down the ends. This is literally just a regular tutorial. This is just a video for you to watch me braid while you do hair, but y'all can learn from it. I'm literally showing y'all the steps in the video. And also I'm adding, like, you know, wordy words. But honestly, let's talk about it. Let's talk about this style in particular. This style took me roughly 10 hours. I didn't even really take a break, if we gonna be honest. The most I did was leave to go get some hair. That's it. I didn't eat because I was fasting, I guess. But please, y'all, don't forget to eat. Don't be like me. Because, baby, when 9 o'clock came and 10 o'clock came and Chick-fil-A was closed, bro, I was pissed. Right? So please eat, y'all. Please eat. Like, don't suffer. Don't, like, it's been times where I damn near fainted because I didn't eat. You get me? So, eat. Honestly, like, that'll give you gas. Like, bro, I wish I took eating more like, you know, maybe I should eat. I do like fasting, but like, I need to eat. What? At this point, I'm gonna just pray and just, you know, don't eat for about 10 minutes. You get me? But yeah, y'all, like I said, this video is just a rundown and just like a rewatch. You could literally just sit, watch this video, and just, you know, I will be including some tips, so stay tuned for that. You get me?
This one I better do it, I no get time, Dada cover my face, calling me Biggie man, we do what's it going? Chihuahua, all depend. They get them, ride the whip. I know feet, die for nothing. What's it going? Chihuahua, all depend.
But yeah, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also follow me on my social media accounts. Alright? Be safe, stay prayed up, and keep looking good. Bye.
Plenty survive with the face. Just to make sure money. want buy, I know one die, I know one payment. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Let me tell you, what's it called? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the girl ride the whip, I know we die for nothing. What's it called? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the girl ride the whip, I know we. Different things that happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, my boat, I'm paddling. Sharashina fella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen trains. When it comes to money, I they concentrate. Look at the straight, you are not my mate. If you become, you should not be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one payment. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it going? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the girl ride the whip, I know we die for nothing. What's it going? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the girl ride the whip, I know we die for nothing.
You know finish, they won't fight us. If them they run, them no fit catch up. I know they form say I too righteous. No con they form say you too like us. You know get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my mind. Make you dance like Boho. Steady clean like properly. Steady on my grind, oh yeah, what they want telling me. Could deny my fantasy. What they check if my heart be no wrong. But it they rush, well, it be much. Now go they make my heart be the rush. Time on you be much. Yeah, it they rush, well, it be much. We be hype, everybody be close. Hold on, you be done. You fool me jackpata, I dey go Ghana. You never thought you dey from Papa. Which kind money we never see before. Cause hello me, got me feeling I'm the one. I never take my cake away. You can't count my grace. I just day my lane. You know get the time, but the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my money. Make you dance like Popoli. Steady green like broccoli. Steady on my grind, oh yeah, what they want telling me. Could deny my fantasy. They want to check if my dad is wrong. But it rush, well, it be more. Now go they make my heart be the rush. Time on you be touch. Yeah, it rush, well, it be more. Hey, Shabba.
That's not the
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. You just wanna send me automatic with a drum. Ask me if I'm finished now, bitch, I just begun. I ain't giving out no nutty to no nigga just for fun. Are you dumb? Other man, I don't know no other man. You f like 100 niggas just for 100 bands. I don't even got me 100 bands. I'm still gonna make me 100 M's with 100 plans. Give me peso, extendo. I carry just like
Funkilla.
I let it fall, my heart. Does it feel you rose to claim it? It was dark and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but
from the thing them call a broken heart. This blessed love will never part. You don't know it from the start. Me tell them say I'm dirty, yeah. A Sean Paul and Sasha.
Make me holler, make me sweat. I can't get your tenderness. Still I can't get you off my mind. What is it about you, baby?
I just say dirty love.
I'm still in love with you, boy.
Well, I'm a hustler and a player, and you know I'm not a stayer. That's a dirty love.
I'm still in love with you, boy.
So girl, they try to understand that a man is just a man. That's a dirty love.
I'm still in love with you, boy.
I know you know we're at the bar. That's the way I give my love.
I'm still in love. Yes, I'm still in love.
What a man gonna do, what a man gonna do. Girl, when I ever have a promise and I'm bling bling for all a girl. When I just love it when me fling fling control a girl. And I make your head swirl, and I make your body twirl, and I make you wanna be my one and only baby girl. Night after night, make you feel love to keep you warm. Girl, you never get this kind of loving from your bar. I know you want your cat, and me just can't perform.
Love you, baby.
I show you get the little loving of a God.
Don't know how